Okay, Proton Persona installed for Cogoo S Series 9-inch Android big screen GPS player with OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. And Anytech two-way, it's first sense two-way mirror DVR, front and rear recorder. So this is DVR, first sense mirror DVR. You can adjust, do the adjust and angle adjust. Okay, Cogoo S Series 9-inch big screen Android GPS player with OEM big screen casing and OEM socket plug and play. So it's a good fitting casing, special casing for Proton Persona, and also can use in Proton Gen 2. We got two casing color. One is light gray for Persona and gold color for Gen 2. Okay, for radio, styling control.
Dan jangan lupa 24 Mac ini adalah dari ada juga pengiring ni hari ni ada juga ni.
Okay, back to home. A full menu. So Android here, you have to go to setting, turn on the Wi-Fi, turn it on, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Car setting, equalizer, system info, Android 8.1. Okay, 16 gig storage with this one is the 2 gig RAM player. Okay, CPU A7 and the radio chipset. Power output 45x4, screen HD screen, can play full HD 1080p video. Styling control setting, change your boot logo. So Bluetooth function, pairing with your phone Bluetooth, and click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Apps download app, YouTube, Waze, Spotify. Okay, TV channel, APK install. So it's 2.5D HD glass capacitance curved touchscreen. 2.5D is a curved shape, and on for the Cogoo 2-inch 2.5-inch full range speaker with bass. Okay, Cogoo S Series for Proton Persona 9-inch with OEM big screen casing, OEM socket plug and play. Installed by 1bis. Thank you.